Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Night Owl model and that the correct power adapter is available. This avoids voltage mismatches. Next, connect the hard drive, monitor via HDMI or VGA, and the USB mouse so the system can detect peripherals at boot. Once done, plug in power and watch the post sequence for 30-60 seconds. You should see the initial splash screen. If prompted, create an admin password now so you can proceed securely. You now mount and aim each camera, keeping a clear line of sight and placing them about 2-3 meters high for optimal coverage. Avoid direct bright lights. Once positioned, plug each camera into the DVR/NVR BNC ports or connect via a PoE switch if supported. After hardware is linked, configure the recorder network settings. Either enable DHCP for automatic addressing or assign a static IP so you can forward ports for remote viewing. This makes live streams reliable. You finish by setting motion detection zones and sensitivity, then run a manual test of scheduled recording to confirm clips save correctly. Once recordings work, install the Night Owl app on your phone, add the device by scanning the recorder QR or entering its IP/UID and your admin credentials. Make sure to update firmware on both recorder and cameras to get stability and features. If the feed shows artifacts or drops, reboot the recorder and check cable connections. This simple step often resolves streaming issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.